Today I want to talk to you guys about something very important that many people don't realize. There are actually two very different approaches to chiropractic care. The first approach is what we call symptomatic care. Symptomatic care simply means you go to the chiropractor because something hurts. Maybe it's back pain, maybe it's headaches, maybe it's sciatica or a muscle spasm. So you go in, you get 1 or 2 adjustments, and the goal is simple. You want the pain to go away. And when the symptom disappears, many people stop care. Now, there's nothing necessarily wrong with that approach if you're in pain and you want relief. But the problem is that symptoms are usually the last thing to appear and the first thing to disappear, which means the underlying condition that created the problem may still be there. Now, the second approach to chiropractic care is what we focus on here at Doc Rob and Associates. This is called corrective or preventative care. Instead of simply chasing symptoms, our goal is to actually improve the condition of your spine and nervous system over time. You see, what creates most spinal problems is stress. Physical stress from sitting, poor posture, sports, working out, and accidents. Chemical stress from poor nutrition and inflammation. And of course, we have emotional stress from work life, kids, everyday pressures. If you think about it, however old you are, that's thousands of days of accumulative stress on your spine. Over time, that stress affects the joints, the discs, and the nerves in your spine. Eventually, those changes lead to symptoms like back pain, headaches, and injuries. So if the problems develop slowly over years, it's unrealistic to think it'll be completely resolved in 1 or 2 visits. That's why we take a different approach. Through repetitive chiropractic adjustments over time, we can begin to improve the health of the joint, reduce pressure on the nerve, and restore proper movement in the joint. As the spine improves, the nervous system functions more efficiently, and when the nerve system functions better, your body becomes stronger, more resilient, and better able to heal itself. This is also why long-term chiropractic care can help slow degeneration in the spine, improve mobility, and even support a stronger immune system. Studies show that people under regular care often report fewer illnesses, better energy, and improved overall health. So the big difference is simple. Symptomatic care focuses on removing pain. Corrective and preventative care focuses on improving your health and preventing problems from coming back. Here at Doc Rob and Associates, our goal is to not only just get you feeling better, our goal is to help you stay healthier for the long term, because when your spine and nervous system work properly, your entire body works better. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn more about our clinics, check out our website at docrob.ph.